Can you break your website by doing nothing? Yes, you can. Wasn't that a quick video? But seriously, many business owners make the mistake of doing nothing when it comes to website maintenance. They may not see the value in a care plan, or they may have worked with a designer who didn't clearly express how important website maintenance is. Doing nothing is the biggest mistake that business owners can make when it comes to website maintenance. Not only does this lead to a website that is outdated and may not be effective in attracting customers, but it can also lead to security risks and data loss. When selecting a website maintenance and support plan for your business, there are some essentials and some potential extras you may need. Essential requirements include software updates, regular security checks, offsite backups, performance monitoring, speed checks and optimization. Optional requirements: good website hosting, performance reports, SEO Keyword Monitoring, OnPage SEO Optimization, regular content creation or changes, a website recovery service, competitor analysis, regular strategy calls. Get your website maintenance and support taken care of today so you can focus on what really matters, managing your business.